My 2012 Eco Chevy Cruze. It's a 2.2 or 2.4 liter. I think it's 2.4 liter. Ecotech. 6-speed manual. It gets 50 miles to the gallon on the highway. If I drive at 55 with the AC off. If I turn the AC on, it'll lead 10 miles to the gallon on the highway. It'll lead up 10 miles, 15 miles to the gallon in the city. I've driven the car 38,000 miles. I thought it was the best car I've ever had. Until it got up to about 37,000. It started having the problems overheating. Chevy had an extended warranty, 10-year, 150,000 mile on the cooling system on this car. And I took it in at 148,000. They want $93 just to look at it. And I got mad and left. Now right at about 160,000 it has right now. Right about 158,000 I start having problems overheating. I replaced all those hoses. I found a water pump on eBay made in Canada. I didn't want no Mexico or China on my car. And he put the water pump on and it still overheats. And he figured out it's the head gasket. So I'm going to try this Blue Devil head gasket sealer. It was $39, $39.99 at O'Reilly's. It's guaranteed her the money back. All those hoses laying on the car, I replaced them one after another. They started leaking. I replaced the reservoir for the cooling system. What else? The thermostat, the water pump. It just goes on and on and on. Those hoses are expensive too. They all start leaking. Some of them are only 2016, they were new. They only last 6 years. That's not very long at all. I don't like the way the hoses all have those plastic ends on them. It's crazy. I hope that Blue Devil will work. Right now the car's using maybe a quart of oil to go less than 40 miles. On Sunday it used a quart to go less than 40 miles driving. I really like the car because it gets such good gas mileage. I gotta get it going again. The mechanic said it could have a blown head gasket and a cracked head. That Blue Devil is supposed to fix a cracked head and a head gasket or your money back, so we'll find out. Other than that, it's been a good car. When I first got it, I took it on a trip up to Tennessee to see my brother. Then I went on to Kentucky to Cave City to go in the caves. Then I went over to West Virginia to film the trains and back home. That was a long trip, maybe 25 days. No problems at all. The car's really weird. It has a thing that comes on, stable track control. That's that electric, or no, it's something else. There's something about that electric power steering. It's trying to say it's bad, and it doesn't show anything bad on it, but a light comes up. Online I seen where they changed that temperature sender unit, and it stopped doing that. I'm gonna probably do that next. Today I'm gonna put that Blue Devil in and see what happens. It's supposed to take a week or two to finally work. You're supposed to add it and then let the car run for 50 minutes. I'm not gonna do it on the video. I'm gonna just put it in, and I have to top it off with water and then start it and let it run. I hope I can get the car running again good. It's been a really good car. It's running rough too because of the head gasket. I thought it needed new spark plugs. I just put new spark plugs in about a month ago. In December I put spark plugs all new in. I put those NGK Iridium laser plugs. I guess we'll find out what happens. I'm filming in a Sony 4K HDR AX33 camcorder. Sony calls it a handy cam.